Hello, future designers and developers. This is going to be a quick video that goes over how to download an image, upload it to Glitch, and then make some size adjustments to that image inside of Glitch. So, let's get started. The first thing that we're going to need to do is to find some images that we want to save. So I go over to Google Images, and let's go with burgers. So I'm going to look up some burgers, and I'm just going to find some that I like. This burger looks good. I'm going to right click, and I am going to save image as. I'm just going to save it to my downloads. I'm going to call this one Burger 1. Save that. And then let's grab a second one, and this nice double burger, we'll save that, and that will be Burger 2. Cool. Now that I have both of those saved, let me go over to my Glitch. Now, we have all of our files over here. We have our README. We also have this area called Assets, and this is where we can add images and other media that we can just save here. You can see it says add images, music, more. You can throw any assets in here. So if I upload and I go over to my downloads, I can only upload one at a time. So I'm gonna upload one of the burgers, upload the second burger. Both of them get uploaded. Cool. So what this does is Glitch is saving these files on a server for us, and when we need it, it will retrieve it. So I'll show you how that's done. Let's go into our index, and we're going to first change this. Instead of world, we're going to say hello burgers. And then right after this h1 tag, I'm going to throw an image tag. Image tags are one of those unique ones that doesn't have a closing tag. So we just open it up, and then we want to call out what the source is, or SRC. And that is equal to a little quotation over here. And you can see already we get a little preview of what's going to be in there. So I'm going to put a placeholder in there right now, so it's just a little hashtag. We'll get the image icon, meaning that something's going to eventually be in there. I go over to my assets, I find my burger number 1, and I copy this long link over here. That's just how Glitch stores it. If it was stored locally, you could just name it as the file. So I named this burger 1, so it would be burger1 dot whatever the file extension is. This one is JPEG. You can also do PNG, whatever it may be. So I'm going to go back to my index, and I'm going to replace my placeholder with that. You can see I get this burger. Now this burger is a little bit on the larger size. And let's say that we want we want to change the size of it. We're going to add an attribute into this tag. I'm uncertain if this is the first time that we're doing it. It might be the very first time. So after we have this quotation of what the source equals, we are going to give it a height and put equals, and then we can do that, say 400 pixels. Now with that size attribute associated with it, you can see that it changed size. I can also make it very small, make it 40 pixels. And when you do this, it's by default assigning a exact ratio to it. So if you reduce the height by a certain percent, it's also going to reduce the width. If you really want to distort this, you could also put a width in here and say that width is equal to something that would break the aspect ratio, and now we get this nice elongated burger. But I'm going to keep it without the width. I'm not going to keep it at 40 pixels. Let's instead make this 100 pixels, something a little bit more palatable for a burger. Cool. I'm going to do that one more time. So this time I'm going to add in my burger number 2. So I'm just going to go over to the next line over here. And I'm going to start that image tag again, call out my source. My source is equal to a certain link. It also is helpful right now if I know the exact height, instead of having this get really long and be scrolling all the way back and forth. I can just throw that in right now. I'm going to try and keep this the same as my other burger photo, so they're very close to each other. But I'm going to go grab that other link. So click on the image, hit my copy, then go over to the index and place that into my source. Cool. So now I have these 2 images. They both have the same height. They look nice and formatted. That's it for the video. If you have any questions, please make sure that you're reaching out. I'll talk to you later. Bye.